for the bench, on the bench, who was out at Chippa United last season, yet to make 21-year-old left back. Makes another 3 changes then for at the Orlando Stadium, Orlando Pirates. Get us
an opportunity to pick up the ball and attack.
Dion Hato, talent in Bata. The space opens up for him to have a shot. 2 shots on target in quick succession. Nice touch here from Hato to bring it under control. Oh, heroics there from Darren Keats as Idumba miscued it. And that was a goal bound, and Keats had to do something. Had to get something onto it here.
When you see defenders making
but he's done well, But now going through the middle, getting a chance here, but he's isolated. No support. He's going to have to hold it up with Caden Francis, and he ended up fouling Dino van Rooyen. Great work defensively from Dino van Rooyen rather. Very good was stealing to Chippa United for City. There's a great run here, but just overran it there. That final touch took it away from Mofokeng.
He needed to be brave. There weren't too many options for him to try and cut that ball back to anybody. The defense, like I said, for me, there's just a lot of City defenders lining up, making it very difficult to keep.
Now, chance here. Oh, puts it wide. That's Maswanganyi. The man who missed a penalty when his sides met down in Cape Town, scored last season.
A mistake in their build-up, intercepted well. Maswanganyi picks it up, and in his mind he had that far tossed, and he doesn't get a decent curve or a spin on the ball to catch the goalkeeper on that far side.
Scored in the corresponding fixture last season, did Maswanganyi.
Very busy.
Busy time for Darren Keats. Remember, that would be reflects exactly what happened last time. Yes, Chueza, cut back from Chueza, brings it just behind, and a chance at all! It's Domingo who opens the scoring! Classic again on the counter. Hashim Domingo opens up the scoring with his first of the season. Pirates hit on the counter. And again, it's when he turned over possession there, City, and hit on the break.
And the speed of attack was key. Once again, the only way that City are going to be able to score goals but is using those transition play into their favor. This is after a potential scoring chance for Orlando Pirates. Darren Keats takes his time, but it's how he dishes it out here to find the fullback free. And it's from the 10.
Let's have a look at this now. There's a man tearing in through the middle. Was excellent work from Tapper here in Norway.
This is the opportunity for Francis. And look at Chueza's very
the score sheet today. Chueza is in here. Chueza! And the keeper gets a touch to it, but no one close enough there again. The player up front is once again isolated. Caden Francis wasn't close enough to Chueza.
That is the problem, unfortunately, if you've been defending from a set piece, and when you're defending that deep, it takes a little longer for the players attacking to be of assistance. Prince was there, but not close enough to take advantage.
Mofokeng facing up to Dondolo. Has done well, Dondolo. And Mofokeng comes away with it. Takes on Dondolo again. Maswanganyi. Chance again. This one flies well wide. From Makhehleni Makhaula. Never really in control of that one. Just the one goal for Makhaula this season.
Once again, the numbers in front of Mukile are just too high. He tries to whip his way past them. Very difficult. Double plays inverted.
Mofokeng! Darren Keats had to make a save there.
And a brilliant one to that.
Pirates have scored 10 goals from outside the box this season. And we're not too far from number 11 there. So of the 26 goals they've scored, 10 have come from outside the box. And it's from shooting, especially from this young fella.
He stopped, he thought about it. Yes, there was many.
Here he is again. And this time it was straight at the keeper.
With his left foot, which is brilliant. He normally strikes them with the right. This time he got it with the left.
Oh. It's a hard fall there by Hashim Domingo, our goal scorer. Head injury. The referee is not to know.
No, there was a foul there.
Yeah, there was.
For the foul, which now gives him the opportunity to say, okay, there's a player that is down.
Oh, but was there a foul? Oh, that's a tough. He went in hard on him there. Let's have a look. He gets the ball first. It's just a collision, really. I don't think that Koki did anything wrong because he got to the ball first and has been called upon. Change of gloves for Darren Keat. He's done fairly well thus far. Tito Maswangange looks like he's taking a knock there, maybe a dead leg. See what happens there. Oh no.
On his own.
He was on his own. He might have pulled something there.
Looks like it's a pull.
The ice or the ice pack is being applied to the quad there. So I think he doesn't look, and the fans are not happy with this call.
No.
I must say I'm a little surprised at this one. This man is keeping things tidy, protecting the defense. Well, they are going to bring him off, and in his place
Mosele
comes so that's a word from the Mbata. Let's go, let's rip from distance, gets underneath it, and
that'll be too much. Then his laces up. Yeah, so he got under.
January has a run here from Nkota with a cutback. Yes! Mabasa! It's him again! And he's got the equalizer. Say my name as he shows the back of his shirt. 4 goals in 2 matches now for Tshirumbata Mabasa. Nkota, the provider, and a timely equalizer for Orlando Pirates.
Must have been Nkota's first touch at that. Delivers the ball into the box beautifully, and Mabasa obviously ready as he sneaks in front of the defender. Pasika is the defender that went to sleep in that moment, a very key moment. And that's a striker's touch.
Beautiful. Striker's instinct, beautifully struck by Tshirumbata Mabasa. That's his 5th goal of the season. And he's now Pirates outright top scorer in the Shandu goes off. And replacing him, Ndabai Tetwa. Nzondlo hits it well. And Darren Keat gives. This is Nzondlo's effort.
Oh, yeah. Did you see that?
That's spectacular. Yeah, actually, they're going to be under pressure now. Mabasa is offside. He sticks it in the net anyway.
Only to realize
Tidy finish.
That the flag was up.
Yeah, I think he knew the flag was up before he put that ball in the net, so he's lucky to.
Talking about the fans now.
That's tight.
It's tight, but still, if we're to analyze it bit by bit.
It's a great ball, but offside flag was up now. Muxi is about to make a triple change, and he needs the fresh legs out there to try and hold on to a point or possibly steal.
No, that wasn't offside, eh?
Nah,
providing the covering.
Short one. In from Hotto. Falls in, a chance here! Off the line, cleared! Has it gone in? It's given! Pirates have turned it around!
Guess from who? Mosele himself.
Wow, what a return!
Unbelievable.
I'm not sure how many touches he's had. That's a massive, massive goal. A man making his first appearance for Orlando Pirates this season.
the one way you can silence the fans. They were not happy when he walked in. And he's going on to prove that, you know what, it doesn't matter how long I've had time to be in the field of play. I know where it is. It doesn't happen often, TT, that a player that has been away for this long gets the opportunity like he did. But that's fantastic. It's an Orlando Pirates team that now knows how to win. As we look into how it happened, the ball was wobbling all over. First, he doesn't get it right, bounces off the crossbar and gets ahead with a header.
Whether it's a header or shoulder or whatever, he was on his chest, it bounces